Yo, we here at Central Diner, y'all. We're on Central Avenue and Halsey Street. Right here. We're going in. We're going in. We're going in. We're going in. Central Diner, it is Sunday family operated since 1971. Let's go check it out. Let's go check it out, y'all. I want to hit you with the door, sis. How y'all doing? Where is it? How you doing? Central Diner, y'all. They been here a long time. This is the spot right here. And they got some Danishes right there. We can go sit down, but I'm gonna eat in.
Okay. I'm just looking at them.
We're gonna eat in. Yep.
First time here?
Nope.
Oh,
Nope.
This the spot.
Oh, hold on. What'd you say?
This the spot.
She said this the spot, y'all. We're gonna check it out. Check it out. We're gonna go in the back here, y'all. It's a little smoke. Hey, what's up? How y'all doing? Let's check it out. We're gonna sit right here, y'all. Boom. Central Diner Restaurant in Newark, New Jersey. Look who's with me, y'all. Sunshine hanging out with me today.
Good morning.
Central Diner. Right here, y'all. They got plenty of seating in the back. It's Sunday. Y'all heard the young lady say this is the spot. She said, this your first time here? We here, man, at Central Diner, Halsey Street, and Central Avenue. Central Avenue is a main thoroughfare in Newark, New Jersey. Goes all the way up to East Orange, comes all the way down to Broad Street. Yeah. Right? This is thorough. Did I use the right word? Thoroughfare?
Seems.
Throughfare? Is it throughfare or thoroughfare?
I'm not sure.
Throughfare. Thoroughfare. Come on, y'all. Y'all know I went to school in Newark, so that, you know. All right, y'all. Are you confused with the butter?
The cinnamon
Oh, the cinnamon just on there like that?
and the bread.
Is that butter on top?
With cinnamon on it. And then they just threw my bread. Presentation sucks.
Okay, Sunshine said the presentation sucks. My presentation, I got the grits with the bacon and the
omelet that you can't see.
omelet. All right, so mine is looking good to me. Sunshine don't like her presentation, but I like that. I love butter and I love cinnamon. So like that little chunk of butter would be like good to me. I probably would have got those a little less well. The eggs, because I like my eggs a little with a little bit of not too dry. That butter with that cinnamon on it, that looks really good to me. When my mom made French toast when we were younger, I like the edges crunchies. There's something about crunchy I like. So I'm going into it, y'all. We're at Central Diner. It's going to be a quick video. She got her syrup for some of those who was raised in the hood I am, or syrup for some of those who wasn't.
That's syrup.
Syrup.
That's syrup.
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 It's syrup, y'all.
SERP. Syrup.
It's syrup. Give me some syrup.
Syrup.
Okay, y'all. So look, Sunshine was talking about our French toast, and y'all heard us, but you said it's delicious? Hold on, let's swing to her, y'all. Even though I just set this camera up. Hold up. What'd you think?
It's really good. It's like homemade. It's like Mama made it. It got the crisp around the edges, soft in the middle.
Oh, so it is crunchy around the edges.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, she said it's like
delicious.
homemade.
Mm-hmm.
She said it's like Mama made it.
Mm-hmm.
So
No jelly for you.
Sunshine thinks her.
No jelly, right?
I'll take jelly, yes. So Sunshine said hers is delicious. And I was just talking to the waitress about being diabetic. And I'm gonna taste the grits first, right? Let's see how the grits taste, and we're gonna see what's up. First, the grits. Look at my hand shaking, right? My hand is shaking a little bit. Let's try to steady it out. This hand ain't shaking though, look. It's just this hand. What's going on, y'all? I think it's all of that. Never mind, we ain't even going. The grits are good and creamy. And most people probably wouldn't put salt on it, but I'm gonna go ahead and add a little of that salt. You know what I should have did? I should have just mixed some of this. Let's taste the bacon, man. This is breakfast, you know, but you can get bad breakfast in some places. The bacon has like this hickory taste to it. You know how some bacon is really overcooked where it just tastes like it just crumbles in your mouth and it's like eating fried cardboard. This is good flavored bacon. And there's different qualities of bacon. So let's mix that with the grits. This is good. You're shaking your head, no? You don't like it?
Bacon?
Oh, you don't like the bacon. Your bacon looks different from mine, don't it? A little bit.
There's no flavor to it. It's just grease and meat.
All right, taste this one. Not that one. Taste this one. Hold up, y'all. Hold up. Sunshine says she don't like the bacon. So let's see.
That was a decent crunch, but
It's still no flavor?
no flavor.
Oh, Sunshine says there's no flavor, y'all. I like the bacon. I like the bacon. All right, so I ate the grits. I'm gonna eat more grits too. I like the grits. And then I'm gonna taste the omelet. This is not my first time to Central Diner, but it's probably been at least, I wanna say I haven't been here in about 2 years. But yeah, I heard the young lady at the beginning saying that she likes Central Diner, and she asked me had I ever been here. Before I put any salt on here, I don't have any hot sauce, y'all, but I'm gonna ask for some. Before I put any salt, I just want to taste this. You want to taste some eggs?
No, thank you. You have cheese in it.
The egg is cooked just the way I like it. It's not overcooked. Definitely cheesy. So, Sunshine says the bacon is not flavorful. I like the bacon. That's the bacon right there, y'all. That's it. Only thing I haven't eaten is the toast, but toast is toast, right? Is it? I love butter, and I know butter's not really the best thing that we should be eating. And some people are like, you shouldn't eat that, that ain't healthy. But y'all know what the motto is, right? Let go and live. Somebody's probably like, or let go and die, eating all that butter. That's funny. Write that joke down, Sunshine.
The bread is so
The butter was here. It's something about butter and jam on toast. They can have the little ends here. Who likes the ends of the bread? That's good. Sunshine, you were saying something?
The bread is thin, so it sogged out quick.
She's saying it got really soggy quick when she poured the syrup on it. Eggs need a little salt. I think it's best when it needs salt instead of having too much salt. You can't do nothing about that but send the food back. Sunshine said the French toast and the eggs are the same texture now. Oh wow, that's really soggy. So if you get French toast here, you better eat it really quick if you wanted to have that crunch.
The bread is mushy. It just mushed out. The middle, the edges were crispy, but the middle is like.
Oh, then move my hand. Move my hand this way.
It all turned into mush.
She said it all turned into mush. Oh, wow. That looked like a send back, y'all. How many people don't have a problem with sending their food back? We don't. But it was good at first, though. Would y'all blame Sunshine for not just eating it fast enough? I'm enjoying my breakfast. Sunshine don't like the bacon. She loved her French toast at first, and then it got soggy on her.
And then the eggs were cold.
But the eggs were cold at first? Oh, okay. She said now her eggs are cold, but they weren't cold at first. So she just proved what I said. You gotta eat your food fast. Like you've been in the military in boot camp. You gotta eat your food real fast in boot camp. That's it, y'all. Central Diner. Having breakfast here. Matt DB, if nobody told you they love you today, you hang with the wrong people. I want to thank everyone who support our channel. Thank for everyone for hanging in there and staying and sticking with us when we go live. Don't forget, we are doing a meetup October 6th here in Newark, New Jersey. If you would like to attend that meetup, you have to send email to me. There's my email address right there, matt@mattdv.com. And for those who want to support the channel, there's a little thanks button, $ thanks. Just hit that button right there. I used to think it was right there, but it's right there. Hit that button, $ thanks. If you want to buy me some coffee while I'm editing, you can give $2, $3, $4, whatever. Right there on that button. Right there, y'all. I used to think it was there, but it's there. Nobody told you they love you today, you hang with the wrong people. Matt DV out. Peace.
Bye.